Have you ever asked yourself, can a CCTV camera really prevent crime, or is it all about where it's placed? In today's video, I'll show you how to use buffer analysis to map CCTV cameras and analyze surrounding crime points with the help of story.mapog.com. Open the MAPOG link, which is given in the description. Click Create New Map at the top right of the homepage. Add a title for your map and a short description about it. First, go to the Add Upload File section and click on Upload CSV Excel file. Upload your CCTV camera location file. Choose the first column as latitude and the second as longitude. Then click Publish. Now, to customize the camera icons, go to Style Layer and choose a symbol that fits your data. Next, repeat the same steps to upload your crime location file. Upload, map latitude and longitude, and click Publish. Now go to Process Data and select the Buffer tool. Choose the crime location layer. Set your buffer distance. Say 40 meters and click Submit. You'll now see buffer zones drawn around each crime point, helping you analyze coverage in relation to your CCTV cameras. Even share with friends and publish. We hope this video gives you a clear understanding of how to use buffer analysis to map CCTV cameras and crime zones using MAPOG. To explore more smart mapping techniques and GIS tools, visit story.mapog.com. And if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us at support@mapog.com.